Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So we're out in St. Cloud right now. Now we have the people at work here, they're actually here, so you're gonna hear them some. But this home is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home, and it's $31.95, so almost 3,200 square feet. Now if you guys were to purchase one of the homes that's available right now, they're going to give you $20,000 to go towards your closing costs. Now if you guys wanted to build something, they have quite a few lots. They said they're going to have about 50 total they have to sell here. Then if you guys pick that, then they'll give you $10,000 in your closing costs, and then they'll give you additional $10,000 that you can actually put into your home, so you can have different upgrades, things like that. So we already went through the kitchen. I'm going to show you guys the kitchen again. This is one of their full baths that's downstairs, and they're using this bedroom as an office right now, but still it is a bedroom, or you can continue to keep it as an office. So that's something you guys can think about. But look how beautiful it is. Very, very open. That is really good. Now your home is not, spoiler alert, it's not going to come with a pool. It's not, but you're going to have space for a pool. And I see next door they actually have a pool next door to this, so you guys can definitely build a pool. They do have a community pool though, so you can go to the community pool if you don't want to spend that extra money. So I really, really love that. Now your garage is going to be in here. I'm not going to actually do that. I want to show you guys the beautiful upstairs. So let's actually before we go upstairs, let's look at the kitchen a little. Let's look closer at the kitchen. I love the different I love the countertops. I love the cabinets. I love the fixtures. Really, really nice. The garbage disposal with a nice, beautiful button. Watch out with the kids though. I have to ask about the appliances. I'm not sure if the appliances are going to be included. That's something I did forget to ask you guys, but I'll make sure I put that down below if appliances are included. But I don't think they're going to be included, but I'll ask. I forgot. I definitely forgot to ask. Let's go ahead and look at the upstairs. So as soon as you come upstairs, you have your laundry upstairs. This is what I really love, especially having a lot of kids. I love having laundry upstairs, and a lot of storage space too, you guys. So I definitely love that. And then look at your loft. It's so spacious up here. So you got this area here, plus you got all this area. I love that. Don't forget $20,000 to go towards your closing costs. So this is a full bath.